automotive world mourned the end of the beloved Kia Stinger with its last V6 engine. But the spirit of the legendary sports sedan was far from dead. Revived from the GT1 project, the all-new 2027 Kia Stinger emerges as a stunning, all-electric grand tourer that completely redefines the brand's performance boundaries. Built on Hyundai Motor Group's next-generation EM architecture, this zero-emission flagship car proves Kia's relentless pursuit of challenging European premium automakers. This isn't just the revival of a well-known nameplate. It's a monumental leap forward into the future of powerful grand touring. Visually, the 2027 Stinger completely abandons the bloated proportions of modern crossovers, returning to a low, highly aggressive silhouette that immediately catches the eye. Drawing strong inspiration from Kia's latest striking concepts, the exterior perfectly balances aerodynamic efficiency with a fierce, muscular stance. The traditional grille has been replaced by a sleek, aerodynamic front, fascia flanked by highly stylized vertical LED headlights that give the car a high-tech, futuristic glow. The curving fastback roofline flows seamlessly into a sharply sculpted rear end, complete with an integrated ducktail spoiler and full-width light bar. Step inside the cabin, and the interior proves that Kia has elevated its luxury execution to true flagship territory. The space is a masterpiece of driver-focused ergonomics and hyper-modern minimalism. A vast panoramic digital display centers the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the instrument cluster and the latest infotainment software into your natural line of sight. However, true to its grand touring roots, the Stinger ensures that this expansive digital space never overpowers the actual driving experience. These include comfortable and durable Alcantara-trimmed performance seats, cold machined metal accents, and physical controls for essential driving dynamics. The true revolution of the 2027 Stinger lies beneath its stunning exterior. By leveraging the advanced EM platform, Kia has unlocked performance figures that truly defy the laws of physics. The flagship, dual-motor, all-wheel drive variant is capable of producing a staggering 603 horsepower, easily outperforming even the mighty EV6 GT. This power is combined with a massive, class-leading 113.2 kWh battery pack, Kia's largest and most energy-dense battery pack to date. This brilliant design delivers not only physics-defying acceleration, but also a truly impressive range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. Whether accelerating from a standstill with instant, powerful torque or effortlessly devouring highway miles, the new Stinger delivers dynamic, uncompromising electric performance.